Hi everyone, I'm excited to introduce my latest creation, Flower Garden. This project has been a true journey of discovery, filling every inch of the page with intricate, abstract flowers and foliage. Every mark was a tiny little step in creating a story, one element at a time, until a pleasing, unified composition emerged. I even captured a magical moment just before adding colour, a striking black and white rendition that's destined to feature in my upcoming colouring book. Only 3 pages left. Can you believe it? If this piece resonates with you, I invite you to dive into the conversation. Leave a comment, share your thoughts, or learn more about the journey behind my art. I'd love to hear how Flower Garden inspires you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more behind the scenes art insights. Always remember, your support helps fuel my creative journey. Goodbye.